We're in Chapin, South Carolina today installing the latest new FWave synthetic rubber shingle. The FWave shingle is far superior than any asphalt shingle that's out there. It's a premium product, has no granules. It's going to last for at least 50 years. You're not going to have any granules coming down your roof. As a traditional asphalt shingle ages, the granules start to release off the roof down into your gutters. With this product, it won't do that. The FWave is a Class A fire-resistant shingle. It's a Class 4 hail-resistant shingle, and it's basically bulletproof. This is your last-time roof. You want to upgrade your house by possibly replacing your windows or painting your siding. If you really want to upgrade your house, you can put on a synthetic rubber shingle from FWave, and it's really going to change the whole look of your house. FWave's got many different options. They've got a hand-split shake that looks like cedar. They've got a designer slate that's square cut. They also have a designer slate that has a scallop cut. So there's many different options for the homeowner to choose from. The installation process of the FWave takes no longer than a regular asphalt shingle. And as asphalt shingles age, they start to ugly out. The FWave's not gonna ugly out. When I say ugly out, shingles typically don't wear out that fast, but they'll ugly out over time, such as algae will grow on them quicker. The oils from the granules start to bleed down the roof, creating streaks. With the FWave, you're not gonna get that because it's not a granulated product. The lifespan of a traditional asphalt shingle in South Carolina is typically 30 to 40 years is what the warranty really comes with. But in South Carolina, if you get 25 years out of an asphalt shingle, you've done really well. Every homeowner should have the option or the opportunity to buy an FWave product. And we at Premier truly believe that. We are sold on the product. We believe in the product. You cannot hurt this shingle, and it's beautiful. For more information on the FWave product, please call Premier Roofing today.
Premier Roofing, we've got you covered. 803